Hello student, today we are going to discuss about the structure of glucose and with properties. Students, glucose is a glucose has an aldohexo structure. Glucose has an aldohexo structure. See here, the first carbon atom having the first in the first position there is a CHO group. Then the 4 hydroxyl group attached with the 4 carbon atom of the middle. Then the 6 carbon atom has primary alcoholic group. This is the molecular formula or structure of glucose. Students, the 6 carbon atom in the glucose in the straight chain are in a straight chain. See here, carbon atom number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. They are all in a straight chain. The aldohexo structure of glucose can be studied on the basis of some chemical properties. Students, see here. The molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. See the structure of glucose. CHO, then CHOH by 4, then CH2OH. When we study the structure of glucose, the first point is molecular formula. Molecular formula of glucose is C6H6O6. This is confirmed from the elemental composition and colligative properties. This is the first point about the structure of glucose. This is the first, that is molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6. Second is the 6 carbon atom in glucose molecules forms a straight chain. This is informed from the following observation. What is the observation? Glucose gives N-hexane on prolonged heating with HI. See here, glucose, CHO, CHOH by 4 and CH2OH. This is the glucose. On prolonged heating with HI, it gives N-hexane. From that, it is confirmed that the 6 carbon in glucose molecule forms a straight chain. The third is glucose molecule contain one carbonyl group. Glucose molecule contain one carbonyl group. This was informed from the observation that glucose forms oxime with the reaction with hydroxyl amine and gives cyanohydrin on heating with hydrogen cyanide. See here. Here, this is the glucose molecule, CHO, then CHOH by 4 and this is CH2OH. When this glucose molecule react with hydroxylamine, that is NH2OH, it gives oximes. See here, this oxygen is replaced by NOH group, and here the compound form is CH double bond NOH and other structure is remain as it is. This is oxime molecule. From this reaction, it is confirmed that glucose has one carbonyl group. See here, this is the carbonyl group, C double bond O. Why this is confirmed? When glucose reacts with hydroxyl amine, it forms oximes. This reaction the reaction occur with carbonyl group. See here, this is the glucose molecule. This is the glucose molecule. When it reacts with NH2OH, then it forms oximes this structure remain as it is. Reaction done with only carbonyl group. Here oxygen is replaced with NOH, and this oxygen and H2 form NH2OH forms H2O, and H2O is replaced. H2O is a byproduct. Next, glucose on reaction with hydrogen cyanide forms cyanohydrin. See here, this is a glucose molecule, CHOH by 4, and this is CH2OH. When this glucose reacts with SCN, here this oxygen is replaced, and here this oxygen reacts with hydrogen forms OH, and this CN. Here cyanohydrin is formed. This compound is formed. From this reaction, it is confirmed that glucose has one carbonyl group. Next, the carbonyl group present in glucose in the form of aldehyde. See here, the carbonyl group present in glucose in the form of aldehyde, and this is confirmed from the observation that glucose get oxidized to 6-carbon monocarboxylic acid called gluconic acid. See here, this is glucose molecule, oxidation done in the presence of bromine water. Here the oxygen is added in the aldehyde group and forms acidic group. From this reaction, it is confirmed that glucose has one carbonyl group in the presence of aldehyde. Next, 6. Glucose contain 5 hydroxyl groups. Glucose contain 5 hydroxyl groups. See the structure of glucose. Here CHO. Next, CHOH by 4. Here 4 OH group and 1 OH group in the primary alcohol. Here these 4 and this 1, total 5 hydroxyl groups are present, and these groups are confirmed by the reaction with acetic anhydride. When this glucose molecule reacts with acetic anhydride, it forms glucose pentacetate. Here the hydrogen of OH group is replaced by C double bond O CH3, and hence glucose form pentacetate and along with acetic acid. From this, it is confirmed that glucose contain 5 hydroxyl groups. And last one is glucose contain one primary alcoholic group. See the structure of glucose. CHO, CHOH by 4, and this is primary alcoholic group. This is confirmed from when glucose and gluconic acid, this glucose and gluconic acid reacts with HNO3, then saccharic acid is formed. Here this oxygen is added into aldehyde group, and here one oxygen aldehyde group, and here primary alcohol also converted into acidic group and saccharic acid is formed. From this, it is confirmed that from the reaction of gluconic acid, it is confirmed that the last group is CH2OH, that is primary alcoholic group. This is the all about structure of glucose. What are the 6 points that are related with structure of glucose? The first is glucose has molecular formula C6H12O6. Next, 6 carbon in glucose are in straight chain. Next, the glucose contain one carbonyl group. Next, the carbonyl group present in the aldehydic form. Then glucose has 5 hydroxyl group, and last one is primary alcohol group is present in glucose. This is the all about structure of glucose. Thank you, students.